Hi viewers, welcome back. Again come up with another video, and today's video about how we can configure auto stop set point. So here you can see, here are the some buttons which we use. This is the enter button, this is the out button, and these are navigation buttons. This one are starting, auto, and stop button. Here one you can see this about the engine, and this is about the generator. So here you can see this is the main menu. Welcome menu. After by using the navigation button, scroll down. This is select a configuration. I will select configuration. After I will scroll down, set point, enter, select this set point. After this control, I select this one by enter button. Now as you can see, it's written auto start stop. I select this one. Selecting, after I will scroll down, I will come to engine, perch, no, crank cycle, no. I will say this is a cooling down duration. Okay, I select this one. Here you know already it's selected 12 minutes. So I will put it here 1 minute, and then I will by using this button, coming down, this coming 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Now is 1 minute. So now you can see I have selected 1 minute. Now I'm going to start the engine. You stay with me for 1 minute, and you can see after 1 minute it automatically will stop. Now I'm going to start it. Now engine is starting. Engine is starting. I'm going to start it. Now it will stop. So here you can see that cool down. Duration is 1 minute. Now after 1 minute, it will stop automatically. We have to wait for 1 minute. The engine is stopped. After 1 minute, engine automatically is stopped. After how we can configure the set point of auto stop set point. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.